There's one. There's a little one. There's a big one. Let's look up. That's a good fish right there.
That's a hog.
That's a hog, Daddy. That's a hog, Daddy, right there. You stop it. He barely hit it, actually. I mean, he's good. Oh, he's on, son. That's a hog, Daddy, right there, boy. Ooh, that's a good one right there, buddy. Something got him, huh? Did you see that? He didn't even hit it. I just went to move it.
Oh my god.
It's a hog, dude. Here.